Are you dealing with acne and blemishes? Maybe low on time, spending way too much money on artificially packed processed skincare? Hi, I'm Maya. I'm the owner and creator of the Naturally Me Skincare. The business started in 2016 when I had my son, who was dealing with eczema at the time that the doctors didn't really want to treat. I needed to find a natural way to treat a skin concern and irritation. So I did research and experiments, really, to see that coconut oil and shea butter was my go-tos to treat his irritated skin, which led to a business idea. In 2020, I started my business, Naturally Me, as a trial run. I wanted to be aware of the products and the ingredients that I was using on both my son and my skin. Not enough studies show that using butters and oils on my skin complexion was naturally treating skin concerns and discoloration like my own. The product overload was overwhelming in the stores on the shelves, so I knew what I had to do. Skincare industry statistics. Skincare industry is expected to grow from $4.75 billion in 2019 to $7.2 billion by 2024. 67% of consumers between the ages of 18 and 29 prefer to purchase natural and organic skincare, followed by 59% of consumers ages 30 to 59 and 43% of consumers ages 60 and older. My go-to market will be millennials and Gen Z, which are pictured here on the slide. I would like to engage and interact on both Facebook and Instagram because the surveys show demographically 76% of 18 to 24-year-olds and 84% of 25 to 30-year-olds use Facebook. More than half of the Instagram population worldwide is ages 34 and younger. I want to be able to educate on these platforms more efficiently and in real time by creating live videos. I want to use these platforms to do an open discussion, have or display customer reviews and testimonials. The solution is here. Nourishing skincare is what we're packed with in our products that offer simpler ingredient lists that's easy to understand and use. We want to be able to control those out of control breakouts, skin blemishes, and unhealthy skin habits. Our aim is to bring back the healthy, radiant, and youthful skin that we all would like. We want to exude the self-confidence and be able to walk into the room and steal attention. We also want to pour motivation into those that may lack the creative skill and want to begin learning more of a natural skincare practice to be able to stick to a more personalized skincare regimen. What's next? So I want you to go onto our website, The Naturally Me, take our skincare quiz, and that way you'll be able to receive a free skincare consultation with one of our experts. You'll then be able to sign up for our monthly themed spa box filled with ingredients to help your creativity begin. We're planning as a company to create weekly video content for DIY recipes to help our followers to make each creation precisely. Twice a month, we want to go live to discuss with our followers the benefits, do Q&A forums, and place our personality and face with our brand. The hashtag for us is The Naturally Me. It'll help with customer reviews and mentions so they'll display on our business Facebook and Instagram pages. We also want to use a resource of a tracking system to be able to see if our business pages are coming up on the search engines and also determine our potential customers that's coming to our site following our business pages. Our company goals is we want to prepare 50 new monthly subscribers to receive our theme monthly spa boxes. At the end of this year, we want to have 150 monthly subscribers. Our scorecard is 150 monthly purchases, 25 inquiries, 50 connections, and 100 downloads from our website. We plan to revisit our goals every quarter to make sure we're staying on track to reaching our 150 monthly subscriber goal. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on the Naturally Me.